You know, a lot of factors can give influence for our car condition, especially our used car which we're using for each day. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. But you know, there is the main thing for each car, our attitude. How owner maintain the car, which knowledge he have to working with car. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing. Yes, we know that cars can be crappy, can be good cars, but one of the major things, our attitude. We're never going to spend our time for car which not interesting for us. We're not going to spend money for this car for our time to messing with this car, and not matter which price for which price this car was bought. Our attitude depends of value for personally for us. We see this car, yes, very good car. We can spend our money for crap. In a lot of cases, it can be. But we can get for nothing really good things which worth to buy them even for big money. But we can get a lot of things for nothing now. And today and yesterday and maybe in the future, always it can be. Yes, what you want to buy maybe cost a lot, what affordable for you now, but it will be more interesting. You're going to achieve what you're interesting, not what you can find in near of you in near neighborhood. Maybe this car you can buy it will be better to go to long distance to find something interesting, or probably it will be near of you this car which you're interested in. So anyway, our goal, our dream car may be near of us, maybe in a long distance from us. This doesn't matter price, and this car there, our goal, we want this particular car. This should be done by our desire. So we want this thing, not another things. This will be more easy to working with things which we desire, which we want to get. This car I want. I don't want any additional cars. We don't want to spend money for additional crap. We want what we want, and more easier will be work to restore this car which we really want by our mind. So we know we want to working this car, and we go more easier through all difficulties which will be on the way of restoration of our car. Even when we maintain the car which we like, we don't want to have deal, we don't want to spend our thoughts, our money for the stuff which we not interested in. And yes, this is interesting thing. Even if we got car for nothing probably, or maybe dirt cheap, this car will be more treasure for us than car which we bought in dealership. You know, a lot of crap in nowadays. Real treasure not under obligation to have a high cost for purchase. We can get for nothing really treasure things which we will using in the future. Just for example, our spare time, we can spend it, but we never going to buy it. We can't buy our time which we spend for earning money. I personally treasure the quality of things and not matter the cost or way I got them. You know, in a lot of cases, more treasurable things which we get for nothing. We not pay money for them. You earn the money, you spend your time, you buying the car, but you never can buy the time for money. But thing is that our spare time limited, not limited as money limited. In large percentage, price depends from greediness of sellers, of managers, and price not equivalent quality. Price High price not means high quality nowadays in our society. You know about that. And of course, nobody wants to buy these rolling piles of crap, which we can notice in nowadays. These cars, a lot of cars, not good quality, what they want to sell. So we shouldn't buy cars which we not desire. Even if car crappy, you can't to repair crap. You can't do from crap something really good which will be less forever, you know. But if you have old car which can be restored, you can spend your money, your time, your positive attitude for car, you can repair it and it can last forever. So old car can last forever, you know, not like modern crap. Yes, this is just cars with a limited time of longevity, you know, but old car can last forever, you know, if you take care of it. Main part, if you want, in old car, owner, this is main part of the car, of old car. So you can restore old car and continue driving around a lot of time. And for work with car, main thing, our attitude. If our car was desirable for us by our mind, we want to get this particular car, we want to work with this car, we want to repair this car, and more easier we go through this process of difficulties in restoration because we desire doing this by our mind. We never going to advices for our co-workers, from our relatives, from persons which we familiar with. I never going to buy new cars because I know new trucks, new Toyotas are affordable for me. But what a little bit worse quality, I never going to buy crap. You know, will be better to save my cars which I'm currently using. So this is affordable for me and repairing them by iron cars, you know, new big trucks, Toyotas, unaffordable for me. Just let's face the facts. Your car, it's your friend if you want. And your old car, if you take care of it, I'm absolutely sure will outlast a lot of modern cars produced in these days. We want to spend our time for things which we interesting in. We never going to spend our time for things what not will be interesting. At least they shouldn't be boring for us, I think. So today we are figuring what main thing for each car. Car should be quality product as much as it possible. And our attitude for our car. Come on, people. This is just we're gotten to a point. If you're greedy, Don't sell anything to the public. Nobody wants those rolling piles of crap. But they continue producing and selling their crap. These people have vested interests here. So they don't care about you that you want to repair your car and driving it forever, like in olden days. So question is what we can do to make the things better.